This is your car. What body kit is this?
Rocket bunny for Porsche Cayman.
Oh, I like my car. Okay.
Same unit.
Yeah, that's why it was like, wait a minute, this looks similar.
For MX-5.
MX-5. Okay, okay. Wow. And then this?
No brand.
No brand.
DIY style.
Oh, DIY swan neck. Nice.
Thank you.
I like that. And look, motorcycle exhaust.
Oh, yes.
Motorcycle exhaust.
Kawasaki ZX-10R.
ZX-10 exhaust. Oh, that's good.
DIY exhaust system for rear piece.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. Wow. And diffuser.
No,
What diffuser? DIY too. I like DIY.
Me too.
I DIY everything. Wow, look at the fitment. What size wheel? 15 by 10?
Yes, 10. The inset is mine at minus 83.
80?
83.
3? 15 by 10, negative 83. Oh shit, look at that spacer. That's a big boy.
That's idiot.
Wow. I love your tire.
Thank you.
Good tire choice.
This is new type.
New tire, okay. Wow. And inside, interior. Oh, it has a blue top too. What is this, blue top? Blue?
Yes.
This thing looks so stripped out.
基本的にはもう street.
Street driving?
Yes.
Not illegal?
これ車検大丈夫ですか？
大丈夫です。
Oh man, that's cool. Bread. What's this?
Corns full bucket seat.
Oh, corns.
Yes, corns.
Oh, okay. I know corns. IRP shifter.
Yes.